Hello, my name is Michael Palm, and I'm a Foley artist. What I do is I make sound effects for big budget movies. Do it all right here. My favorite prop to use is nerds. So here, I'll show you. For a big explosion, I might just take one box and another box and just... And let's say I got some heavy rain going. You want a tree cracking? You want a tree just falling down and smashing on the ground? Just take a nerd, a little X-Acto knife. Perfect. Nerds are the bee's knees. I'm telling you, you can make any sound effect with a box of nerds. My name is Michael Palm. I'm a Foley artist. This is how I play with my nerds. This is an awesome job.